In this video, I'm going to show you how to import leads in Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard, you want to go to your CRM over here on the bottom left, and you want to click on it. Now here you want to make sure you are on leads over here, just like me. If you're not, what you want to do here is go to the settings button top right, and then from here you want to go to where it says CRM mode, and you want to make sure you are inside the classic CRM, which has leads, deals, and contacts, because the simple one has only deals and contacts with no leads. So click on this one, classic CRM, and you're good to go. Okay, you should be able to see leads over here. Now what you want to do to import leads is go to the top right again and click on the same cogwheel settings button, and then from here click on import leads. Now when you do this, it's going to pop up this window and you want to go and upload your file. So I'm going to click on upload file over here, and I do have some sample leads from ChatGPT over here, which I just created for the purpose of this video. So it's just some sample data. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on open. There we go. It's going to go and of course upload the file, and here you can select the file encoding. I'm going to leave it like it is. You could go and preview your file as well. So as you can see over here, that's how the previews look like. I'm just going to use this one, the ASCII or ASCII over here, just like that. And then here you can select the field delimiter. So here for me, the field delimiter is going to be a comma. So as you can see, there's commas. It's not a semicolon, so I have to change this. Make sure you know what's the delimiter inside your file. And here you can select if your first row is a header, which in my case, it's not going to be. And you can go and skip empty columns as well. And here you can select your name format. I'm going to leave it like it is and click on next. From here, there's the field mapping. So as you can see here, there we go. The responsible person has to be added. And from here, you have to select all these things. Now, ID over here, in my case, would be column 1, for example, and then name would be column 2, and then situation or salutation would be column 3, first name would be column 4, etc. Okay? So you can just go ahead and do this and kind of customize it according to your own file you're trying to upload, and then click on the next button, and here you have to go through duplicate control. So of course, when duplicate is detected, of course, you can allow, you can merge, skip, or replace with new data. I'm just going to allow it. And then down here, you can select how you can detect duplicates over here using which fields. If you want to add more of them, click on add more and click on the one you want to add. Then you want to click on the next button again, and it's going to basically import just like this. As you can see, the result is correct. I can now click on import new file just like this and import a new one if I would have to do it. Okay, so that's how to import leads in Bitrix24. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.